Hello tool groupies and welcome to the Backwoods Mechanic channel. If you like tool reviews, do-it-yourself videos, or you'd simply like a chance to win some free tools, just pop the clutch on that subscribe button right now and enjoy this tool review. Today we're going to be discussing the IRWIN name brand Vice Grip Series Groovelock pliers with the smooth flat jaw. IRWIN designed the Groovelock pliers in 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, and 20-inch sizes. They also have 3 separate jaw designs to accommodate a wide range of craftsmen and tradesmen, from professionals all the way down to the average do-it-yourselfer. They have the traditional straight jaw with serrated teeth, the V-shaped jaw with right-angled teeth, and then they have the toothless flat jaw design, which is the ones we're going to be reviewing here today. This one in particular is 8-inch or 200mm long Groovelock plier, model number 82635, jaw capacity 8 to 34mm, 5/16 or 1 5/16 wide. This one right here is 10-inch, 250mm long Groovelock, model number 82636. Jaw capacity on it is 8 to 38mm or 5/16 to 1.5 inches wide. These were designed to virtually eliminate or reduce the amount of tools you might typically need for a job, because the precision, design, and function does the same job of several tools combined, from pliers to combination wrenches. You can quickly adjust the smooth jaws to fit any size fastener, as opposed to searching for the right size wrench, which could reduce the amount of time you actually spend on a job. You can use them on flat, hex, square, round shaped surfaces without having to worry about damaging the exterior finish. You see, serrated teeth are designed specifically to dig into an object that you're working on, which isn't good if you are working on something and you don't want that particular something damaged, such as brass, copper, stainless steel plated finishes. That's why these are designed specifically to enhance damage-free installation, such as exterior finish on a basin drain. As you can see right here, everybody's got these drains in your house. Some people's got these sinks. They're all nice, they're all shiny. If you ever have to put a wrench on there that's got serrated teeth, it is essentially going to leave marks. It's going to scratch it, it's going to damage it. You don't want that. You might want something like this. It is a toothless jaw. It enables you to grip copper, brass, and even a rubber hose like a radiator without damaging it. Now sometimes you do need serrated teeth, but other times you need a smooth, tight grip to complete the repair, and you can adjust the jaw size on these twice as fast as you do traditional groove joint pliers. Multi-groove ratcheting system offers 2 times more groove positions for faster, stronger precision grip and adjustability. Push button design with metal injection molding technology, and a tension ring will quickly engage and lock the teeth, or it will accurately position these actual pliers wherever you need them at with one touch of a button. You can push it up, ratchet it up, depress it for the quick release button to unlock it, reposition it, adjust the jaw setting, everything like that is in good shape. And we'll pull them out here. Now these are made in China from heat treated steel, black oxide finish for rust resistance, corrosion resistance, things of that nature. The handle is covered in an ergonomic biomaterial non-slip pro touch anti-pinch grip for comfort control and reduction of hand fatigue. The IRWIN trademark yellow and navy blue with a little bit of gray splashed on top of it provides you with grip, and it also reduces your hand fatigue. Plus, it's good to work with if your hands are wet, they're sweaty, they're greasy, or if you work in extreme heat such as I do and you lay these things down somewhere, when you go to pick them back up, they're not going to be as hot as your traditional grips. The Vice Grip name brand, of course, is wrote with yellow lettering right here on the grips. The IRWIN brand is stamped into the quick release button right here, and it's got laser etched identification markings on the front and back, because these things you will be able to tell apart from other pliers. Plus, if you need to warranty this particular item out, because it does have a lifetime guarantee on them, you can easily identify which sets you've got, what model you've got, and you can call it in for a warranty. For warranty information, call 1-800-GO-IRWIN or go to www.irwin.com for further warranty information. Nevertheless, I've never had to actually warranty one of these IRWIN products out, so I can't tell you from experience, but if I ever do, I will make a video, I will post it. Another reason to subscribe, so I can tell you the experience that I had. These will typically range between $12 to $50 depending on the jaw design, the size, the retailer, all that good stuff in between, but I will post you some links in the description box below where you can buy these at. If you buy them in store, they got them at Lowe's, Royal King, CarQuest, wide variety of other places, so check out the links below. I'll post the lowest price things. As far as these tools go for the price, they are fair tools for the price. They're great for plumbers, HVAC, AC repair, appliance maintenance, automotive, stuff like that. They're good gifts for beginners and do-it-yourselfers and much, much more. Now, if you work as a professional in the heavy machine industry or industrial machine field, you might want to spend a little bit more money on the channel lock version of these, which is Groovelock, because they are made better, or get you some Snippets, however you want to pronounce it, get them. But as far as the average everyday do-it-yourselfer, these things are great to have on hand. They're great for a wide variety of maintenance purposes, and they do eliminate quite a few wrenches, as you can see right here. Now I will go through and explain what I have just roughly rattled off to you. Here's the teeth. The teeth go upwards. There is teeth on the back half of this. When you depress this button, as you can see, it will push this out. That's where the teeth are on the inside of here. When you release this, that tension spring comes loose, it locks those teeth into place. They're going downhill while these out here are going uphill. So that way it locks everything into place. You cannot pull this down nice and sturdy, but you can move this button back and forth, and it's easy to position, or you can simply push it and it will go into the position it is meant to be in. Of course, the black oxide finish, a nice thin head on it, the nice ergonomic handles on it. You take it, you move it, and it will latch onto whatever you need it to latch onto, such as this particular item right here. All you gotta do is take it, you can hold the lock, position it. You don't even have to hold the lock, you just position it, and then it holds whatever you're working on. And if it's something like brass, you don't want to damage your brass, that's great. That's why it ain't got no teeth. You can easily take it, adjust it, move it around to any size that you're working on. If you got one or two of these, you can move them onto a variety of different surfaces, such as this top bolt here. If I don't want to damage it, I open my wrench up, and voila, there you go. It goes right around the top half of it. I can take it, I can hold it, I can grip it, I can turn it, and I don't got to worry about damaging the actual brass. If you're working on something like this and you need to hold it tight, all you got to do is find you a place that you're working on, and it will help put pressure on that, hold this in place, while you put a wrench around these, a bigger wrench, bigger pair of pliers, to tighten or loosen these without damaging the exterior of the finish. Now, as far as replacing, if they replace some of your wrenches, instead of digging through your toolbox for 100 different wrenches for a job, you can take this and you can adjust it for a wide variety of sizes. As you can see right here, I will take it, I will loosen this one up, and it will do everything that a typical wrench would do. This one's a different size, and it will fit on this different size. This one's a different size, and it will fit on this different size. And then I've got the big one up here. If I want this one, different size, all I gotta do is take it, move it, adjust it, and then voila, it fits whatever size fastener you need it to. And if it replaces your wrenches and helps reduce the amount of time you spend on a job, then guess what? It paid for itself. And it is made to where you can keep a good steady grip on these things, because all of your leverage is right here in this particular section. That is all solid metal right there. So whenever you're moving it up and down, it's moving this lower jaw up and down. And this is kind of like a guide bar right here that keeps this in place, keeps it from cocking up or going down. And all of your tension is going to be right there. If you're working on something such as copper and you don't want the copper damaged, all you got to do is take it, use these. It goes around the copper, such as a steam pipe union. This is a steam pipe union. As you can see, this will easily fit around a steam pipe union, and I can work with it. I can take it, I can put pressure on it, I can turn it, I can do everything I need to do with this one particular item. If I'm working on something like this, you need something to hold this in place while you're tightening up a pipe. Instead of putting a pair of serrated tooth pliers on this and destroying the brass, you can take this on here and hold it in place while you're threading in the pipes that you need. If I need to loosen up one of these fasteners right here, one of these bolts, all I got to do is take this and adjust it down to where I need it at. And then of course I will add my pressure, my tension, and it will loosen everything up. But as you can see, I need something to hold it in place because it's a little bit too tight. So what I need to do is adjust these. All I got to do is push this up and lock it in place where I need it at, and it will help hold it as I break this particular fastener right here loose. I need to go this direction. There we go. I just broke it loose. I didn't have to go search for a bunch of wrenches. I can do a wide variety of jobs with these two IRWIN Groovelock pliers that are toothless. They're smooth, they have no teeth, they don't cause no damage, and they're for a really good, fair price. All the information will be in the description box below. Some links where you can buy these will be in the description box below. Warranty information and some links to other tool reviews. Now, once again, I'm not paid, endorsed, sponsored by anybody. Everything you see on this channel, I buy myself, and I do use it all myself. So, subscribe, ring the bell, like, share, comment. Tell me what you think about these. If you've used them, do you like them? Do you not like them? All that good stuff. And let's keep making repairs great again.